Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex Economic News channel. Here is Marina Generalova. Some of the US macroeconomic indicators have changed their dynamics completely after their revision. As it was expected, preliminary estimate did not price in negative effects caused by the severe winter and contraction of stimulus measures. The fresh estimates show that the US economy declined 1% in the first quarter, compared to the initial reports of a 0.1% increase. The annual gauge was revised down from 2.3% to 2%. Meanwhile, the US Labor Ministry disclosed a report showing that the number of Americans claiming for unemployment benefits totaled 300,000 for the week ended May 25th. The last week data was more pessimistic. However, the traders got used to the fluctuation of this indicator. For this reason, the economists are monitoring the 4-week chart. Currently, the average is at its 7-year low. Ambiguous reports do not allow tracing the market reaction correctly. It is true to say that traders are confused. As a result, the diapason of quartz volatility increased. However, euro-dollar remained at the level of $1.36.05 after the news release. That is all for now. We will be back with more news releases later today, so stay tuned.